Time to check on my amazing crops. The open road, or path, is calling. Smooth sailing as always. Nothing beats a morning drive on the farm. Careful now, don't want to get stuck. Oh, what was that?
Not good at all.
Oh, barnacles? Right, let's have a look at you, old friend.
Every problem has a solution, usually in here.
Aha! I think I see the culprit. Just the tool for the job. Almost got it. A bit more. Perfect. One down, one to go. Ah, a classic loose connection. Tricky little devil. Ah, that should hold it. All right, let's give this another try. Fingers crossed, little buddy. And now for the moment of truth. Yes! Hey! You beauty! Never doubted it for a second. All right, jackfruit tree, here I come. Such a beautiful day for a drive. A little mud never hurt anyone. Almost there, almost there. There it is, my golden treasure. Jackfruit time! Woohoo!
Look at this beauty, perfectly ripe.
Now, how to get you down safely. My trusty extender grabber. Steady as she goes. Success! Operation Jackfruit is a go! This one's a champion! Champion! Heavy, but worth it. Safe and sound for the ride home. Almost to the chill spot. Home sweet home. Almost there, big fella.
The best part about harvesting is the tasting. Pure gold.
Absolute perfection. This is what it's all about. Nothing beats fresh, organic jackfruit after a hard day's work. This isn't just fruit, it's a superfood, packed with energy for my next big invention. This is the life. Another successful day on the 4.0 farm. Hard work truly pays off, especially with a view like this. Couldn't be happier right now. Ready for whatever tomorrow brings. Until next time, fellow adventurers! Another glorious farm day begins. Exploring new parts of the farm. My green kingdom! Nothing beats a morning drive on the farm. Oh dear, not again. Steam? That's a new one! Now what could be the trouble? All right, challenge accepted. Time for a digital diagnosis. Let's see what's really going on in there. Aha! A thermal regulator malfunction. I knew it! Out with the old, in with the new. Another successful surgery!
There you go, all snug and ready.
Tools down, mission accomplished.
And fire up. Absolutely perfect.
Nothing stops this monkey or his farm. Now, where were we? Ah, yes, adventure. So many beautiful sights on my farm. A little bump never hurt anyone. Always something new to see. Enjoying your swim? Nature's beauty truly is endless. So much to do, so much to see.
just cruising along.
More jackfruit treasures await. Just enough room. Look at the size of these. Two is always better than one. Plenty for everyone. Now for the best part. Almost back to my chill zone. Evening's here, and so am I. Time to unwind. Double the fun, double the deliciousness. So much sweetness.
Hard to choose a favorite.
This is pure bliss. What a perfect end to the day. Pure happiness, right here. Every adventure leads to a delicious reward. And that's a wrap on this delicious journey. What a wonderful day on the farm. Labor is glorious, and eating ripe jackfruit is happiness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow my next inventions. Bye-bye. Labor is glorious, and eating ripe jackfruit is happiness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow my next inventions. Bye-bye.